Hi, my name is Bracher. I'm the principal of Real Estate HQ. Now, buying house and land is not just about selecting a block or choosing a builder. It is a staged investment strategy with multiple moving parts, and how each part is approached directly affects your rental performance, long-term capital growth, maintenance costs, and ultimate resale value. My role is to guide you through every stage so that your investment is strong from day one. The first step is actually choosing the right location. This is where my experience across Southeast Queensland becomes crucial. I analyse suburb growth patterns, supply pipelines, and local infrastructure projects so you can understand not only what the area looks like now, but what it will become in the next 5 to 10 years. Schools, transport upgrades, major roadworks, retail growth, and council zoning changes all influence rental demand and future resale. And I interpret these details so that you can make a confident decision. At this very early stage, I become your investment sounding board, helping you clarify your priorities and align the property with your long-term goals. Now, the second step is actually understanding the land itself. Many new estates release blocks well before titles are registered. It means that you often purchase land without titles yet. Title registration can take many months depending on civil works, weather, engineering approvals, and council conditions. I can guide you through what this means for financing, timing, risk management, and your builder's schedule so you know exactly what to expect. The next major stage is reviewing floor plans and builder offerings. This is where most investors unintentionally leave money on the table because the standard plan rarely designed with tenants or long-term resale in mind. My early involvement means that I can assist you to assess the floor plan through the eyes of a tenant and a future buyer. I look at the flows, functionality, privacy, natural lighting, storage, and the real life values it offers. I know from experience what layouts rent faster, what design elements minimize vacancy, and what inclusions attract better applicants. Small adjustments at this stage make a significant difference later. For example, if we increase the concrete slab for the patio outside, we actually provide a better outdoor zone. Builders have already designed the footprint to fit a lot of their blocks, but there is always room for small improvements that create big long-term value. When you commit your management to us, this early guidance costs you nothing, yet it can dramatically improve both your cash flow and resale down the track. Once you progress to the builder contract stage, this is where my experience becomes especially valuable. I can review your contract, the inclusion specifications, list and progress payment structure to make sure that everything aligns with Queensland requirements, and I know how to monitor you and guide you along the way. I highlight hidden costs, confirm your compliance, check for your allowances, and make sure that you are not paying for upgrades that won't deliver real tenant or resale benefit. Now, my focus is on long-term value, not unnecessary extras. During construction, I will act as your eyes and ears on the ground. I monitor the progress, check workmanship at milestones, stages, communicate with the builder on your behalf, and keep you updated with photos and reports. The builders will do the same, but you'll get a different perspective from me. For interstate or busy investors, this will take the stress away and ensures that the build stays aligned with your expectations. By the time your home is completed, you already know exactly what has been delivered and how it positions you in the rental market. But the benefit of this also is that it connects you to your investment a lot earlier. My goal throughout the entire process is very simple: to make sure that every decision supports your future cash flow, minimizes vacancy, enhances tenant appeal, and protects your long-term resale. You are not just building a house, you are building a strategic asset. And my involvement ensures that your asset performs now and well into the future. If you want a specialist who will guide you from land selection to construction and to manage your investment with full transparency and care, call me directly on 0425 22 5678. I'm here to make your investment journey clear, strategic, and successful. My name is Bracher, and I am the principal of Real Estate HQ.